Welcome to EINSTAR's official tutorial series. No matter which of our products you are using right now, mastering the scanning distance is the first step to capturing high-quality 3D data. Scanning distance refers to the physical gap between the scanner's emitter and the surface of the object. Our scanners project infrastructure light or blue laser onto the surface. The built-in cameras capture the reflected patterns and calculate 3D coordinates by analyzing the deformation. This process is highly sensitive to distance. Only within the optimal range can the cameras precisely reconstruct the data. But don't worry, to make it easy for everyone to get started, we've designed an intuitive, user-friendly distance indicator for our software. For standalone devices like the EINSTAR Rigil and EINSTAR VEGA, you can monitor the distance indicator on the right side of the device UI. Let's take Rigil as an example. When the icon is in the center, the distance is optimal. If it moves to the top and turns blue, you're too far away. Please move closer. If it moves to the button and turns red, you're too close. Please pull back. Additionally, in the laser mode of the Rigil, you can observe the color of the laser lines directly in the software. Green means the distance is perfect. If they turn red, it means you will need to adjust your distance. For PC-connected models like EINSTAR Rockit, EINSTAR 2, or EINSTAR, the indicator is located on the left side of the software interface. Additionally, you can check the LED indicator on the back of the scanner. Green means optimal distance. Blue means too far away. Red means too close. This allows you to monitor status without constantly looking at the screen. In addition to the bars, the software will display real-time prompts if the distance is incorrect. These indicators are designed to help beginners quantify the working distance. With a little practice, you will develop a feel for the range and be able to maintain the perfect rhythm without constantly checking the indicators. Master the distance, master the scan. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.